Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these fake nails out of a bottle. These are gorgeous. But before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to It's Your Mom Duh. This is a literal OG right here. Thanks for commenting on my videos. And if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So now I'm beginning with some basic nail prep. I wiped out my nails with some nail polish remover, pushed back my cuticles, and lightly buffed my nails. This will help the nails last longer. Next, I'm taking a bottle and cutting out a long strip. Then roll it up as tight as you can and secure it with an elastic band. Then place it in hot water for about 5 minutes. This is so that the nails will have a nice curve to it. Also be careful as it's really hot. Then remove the elastic band and cut out chunks of the plastic. Then begin to cut out the nail. Start off with the cuticle area. Make sure that fits nicely and then trim down the sides. Next I'm going to shape them into a coffin shape. First I'm marking down the sides and then cutting the coffin shape so that my natural nail won't show on the sides. Next, buff the inside of the nail so that it will last longer, and then attach it to your nails. I used the nail glue. Next, I'm applying a natural pink base coat to the entire nail. Now I'm going to sponge on some loose glitter to the tips and kind of blend it like a gradient or ombre. Then I took a holographic glittered nail polish and then put 2 coats at the tip. Then I put a top coat on all of the nails. And you're done. I want to show you how hollow these actually are. So have a look. And if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Bye!